Today we're removing reflections with a single click. Watch. See? And we're going to use a new feature in Camera Raw, which you can access in Photoshop as well. So open your image in Photoshop and convert it into a smart object. Just right click on it in the Layers panel and choose Convert to Smart Object. Next, go to Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter, which will open this window. First, we need to make sure this feature is enabled. So click here to open the Remove panel and check if you have Distraction Removal Reflections here. If you don't, then you'll have to enable it. Simply open the Camera Raw preferences by clicking right here. Go to Technology Previews, check New AI Features and Settings panel, click OK, restart Photoshop, and now you should see it. Click on this arrow next to Reflections to reveal the settings and choose the quality that you want. Preview is the lowest resolution but the fastest to process. Best is full resolution but it takes longer. And standard is kind of in the middle. I'll choose Best and click Apply. Camera Raw would now process the image and detect and remove the reflections. Keep in mind though that this feature works best with photos taken through glass windows, like this one. So we're talking about large reflections, not tiny ones. And this is the result. The reflections have been completely removed. And this slider here controls how much of the reflections you're seeing. 100 means no reflections. 0 means the original image. And -100 means only the reflection is shown. Pretty awesome, yeah? Look at that. I'll set it back all the way to 100. Click here to see the before and after. Great. And Adobe recommends that you remove the reflections first and then make further edits like color corrections, because this is obviously affecting the colors as well. Now, this is great, but it's not always perfect. This is another example, much more challenging. And even though it did a great job removing the reflections, it didn't recreate the arm here very well. So you might want to fix it manually. Still very impressive results. And here's another example where the reflections are covering the faces. And if we remove them, it looks okay, but we can still see some areas that need to be fixed manually as well. Last example, lots of reflections covering the subjects. Will it be able to remove all of them? Yes, it did. Of course, some further retouching and color correction might be needed, but this is really impressive, really helpful. With just a few steps, we have successfully